Hey there, kids. This is Reveal Math Lesson 10.5. Let's take a look right here. We continue to work with finding the difference between mixed numbers. That means that we're subtracting, right? Okay, let's see what they got for us today. It says the difference, and that's the answer to a subtraction problem, of mixed numbers can be found by using strategies such as equivalent fractions or using the relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay, well, in both of these cases right here, they make it look really easy, but actually there's some steps that they left out right here. So let's take a look at this. This says 3 2/5 take away 1 3/5. Now, you can go on over here and take that 3 2/5 and make it into an improper fraction. So they don't tell you how to do that. So we're going to take this 3 2/5 right here, and I'm going to do it the way probably your parents know how to do it. Okay, 3 2/5. We learned other ways to do it, but you could do it this way. 3 times the denominator. The whole number times the denominator. 3 times 5 is 15, plus that 2 right there equals 15 plus 2 is 17. So that's the same thing as 17/5. Now over here, that's what they put down right here. They put down 17/5 right there. They said this equals 17/5. They just didn't tell you how they got it. Now 1 3/5, okay, fine. 1 3/5, let's do that over here. 1 times the denominator, 1 times 5, plus 3. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8, so that's 8/5. We keep it fifths, the denominator always stays the same, so that's 8/5. And over here, that's what they did right here. They said 1 3/5 is really 8/5. Now we can subtract. 17/5 take away 8/5. 17 take away 8 is 9. Okay. Fifths, fifths, fifths. The denominator stays the same, so that's 9/5. Now this is an improper fraction because a 5-year-old should not be carrying around a 9-year-old. Okay. And so we need to fix that right there. Well, 9/5 is really the same thing as 5/5 plus 4/5. Okay, and that equals, well, this is 1 whole right here, and this is 4/5 right here. So that's the same thing as 1 4/5, and that was the final answer over here. They gave you 1 4/5 as the final answer. Now over here, what they want you to know is that you could use, that the opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. So the problem started off like this. It said 3 2/5 take away 1 3/5 equals some number, right? Equals the difference, all right? They put the letter D there for difference, I guess. But we could do it the opposite. We could go the opposite way, and we could go this way right here and do addition instead, okay? And that's what they're trying to show you. They're trying to say 1 3/5 plus whatever this is right here, we don't know what it is, equals 3 2/5. Okay, you could use addition instead of subtraction and work it backwards. So then they say, well, 1 3/5 plus what equals 3 2/5? Now they made a mistake in the book right here. I don't know why they did this. This should have been 3 2/5. The book is wrong, kids. Okay. Okay, equals 3 2/5. Well, it turns out that 1 3/5 plus 9/5 equals 3 2/5. So the answer was 9/5, and that equals 1 4/5, just like we did over here. We said that was 5/5 and 4/5, that's 9/5, and that's the same thing as 1 4/5. So kids, you're learning how to find the difference between mixed numbers. Let's take a look at some more examples right here. Find each difference. That's the answer to a subtraction problem. Use pictures, words, or numbers to show your work. Okay, I'm going to show you how we did it in the last lesson, and we're going to continue to do it that way. That seems to be the easiest way for kids. So we got 5 2/3. Take away 1 1/3. 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. Right? 2 bananas, take away 1 banana, leaves 1 banana. And 5 take away 1 is 4. How hard was that? That was easy, wasn't it? First we did the fractions, then we did the whole numbers. You get an answer of 4 and 1/3. That's the difference. Kids, you're learning how to find the difference between two mixed numbers. All right, here's two mixed numbers again, and they want us to find the difference. All right, this looks like an easy one too. Okay, so 2 and 9/12. Take away 1 and 5/12. 9/12 take away 5/12. 9 take away 5 is 4. The denominator stays the same, 12ths, and so we make 12ths. It stays the same. 2 take away 1 is 1. Your answer is 1 and 4/12. That's the difference. Kids, you're learning how to find the difference between two mixed numbers. And here it is again right here. And these are all kind of easy, okay, because we don't have to rename for any of these right here. I like to set it up going vertically, okay, up and down. So 4 and 10/12. Take away 2 and 3/12. 10/12 take away 3/12. Well, 10 bananas take away 3 bananas leaves you with 7 bananas. So 10/12 take away 3/12 equals 7/12. Whole numbers. What's 4 take away 2? Right, that's 2. So you got 2 and 7/12. Kids, you're learning how to find the difference between mixed numbers. I'm going to write it in this box over here because they gave it to us, 2 and 7/12. There we go, right? Okay, well, in class today, we're doing workbook pages 85 and 86. We're doing practice pages 109 and 110. You're learning how to find the difference between mixed numbers. Okay, here it is on the Friday quiz. Okay, well, now on the quiz, all of a sudden they give you ones that are harder than what was on the rest of the lesson right here. I think I'll do this one over here, okay? They're both kind of similar. So 4 and 2/6. Take away 3/6. Okay, you have to think back to the last lesson when we talked about the bigger number has to be on top if you're doing subtraction, right? If I had 2 bananas, you could not take 3 away from me because I only have 2, right? So 2/6 take away 3/6 cannot be done. So we need to rename this 4 right here. What are you going to rename that 4 as? Right, it's going to be 3 and 6/6. Why did I choose 6's? Because these denominators are 6's. So 3 and 6/6, plus we have to add in that 2/6. Okay, 3 and 6/6 plus 2/6 equals 3 and 8/6. Take away 3/6. 8/6 take away 3/6. 8 minus 5 is, I'm sorry, 8 minus 3 is, I already said it, darn, is 5, right? 6ths, 6ths, 6ths. 3 take away nothing. There's nothing here, right? 3 take away nothing is 3. So the final answer is 3 and 5/6. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to let you do this other one on your own right here. Go ahead and give it a shot. Kids, if you need help, come and see us. We will help you. Today we've been learning how to find the difference between mixed numbers. Kids, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.